Welcome back everybody to another video. In this video we're here with this Civic Si and we're going to be swapping the transmission fluid. This is the manual and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So let's get into it. Here's the drain plug for the manual transmission. It just takes the head of the ratchet, you put it in here, and that one's pretty tight. But anyways, righty tighty, lefty loosey, take the bolt out. Once the oil stops dripping, put the plug back in, tighten it down, and then we're going to go on top under the hood to fill the transmission back up. You're going to have a different intake if you have a factory one. Well, what you want to do is take off the factory hose in the top box, because we need to get down to a plug that's down in here so that we can fill up the transmission fluid. Use a 17 millimeter and you're going to remove the bolt, the fill plug bolt that's right here on top next to the steering shifter linkage. Here's a transmission fluid you're going to use. It's a manual synchro mesh transmission fluid. Pick it up on AMSOIL. Hopefully this video helped you out, saved you some money. If it did, like, share, subscribe. Till next time, wrench on.